Welcome everyone. Here is a quick video about a little bit of preventative maintenance we do before and after every big trip in all of our vehicles, but specifically the Jeep. We're just going to check the diff oil, both front and rear, to see whether we've sucked in any water, and you can tell this by dipping your finger into the filler hole and seeing if the oil has a milky consistency. With modern vehicles, this might look like a white layer on top, but if you put your finger inside like Alex has, you will instantly be able to tell if it is contaminated, as it does not look like a clean oil anymore. The water gets in the diff when you do water crossings, and if left there too long, it will start to damage all the internals. So that's why we pretty much check before and after every big trip we know we're going through some water, which is fairly often as we do live in far north Queensland. Now, because we're unsure how long the Jeep has been like this, and Alex hasn't actually checked it in a while, he's going to flush the whole diff centre with a 50-50 mix of fuel and diesel. Please don't ask how we got this mix, it's a bit of a long story that has some heartache involved. If our oil wasn't so dirty, we could just run a little bit of clean oil through and then fill it back up completely and call it a day. But because ours was so contaminated, Alex is going to flush it with this diesel and fuel mix and let it sit for a few days while he goes out to work. And it can fully evaporize away before filling up with clean oil. When he fills it back up, he's going to check all the seals everywhere and maybe the breather to see where any sort of water is coming in when we do these crew crossings. Filling the Jeep back up is only a little bit over a litre, so we'd rather just pay the money and know we have a fresh, high quality oil in there that's not contaminated. In the Jeep, we only use Penrite oil for everything, as they have a range specifically for old vehicles.